Hi, hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional LinkedIn banner design using Photoshop. As you all guys know that if you want to get judged on LinkedIn, you need to have a very professional looking profile and professional looking banner to get more views on your profile and get selected for a job. So we're going to make a design like this one. First of all, you have to press Ctrl plus N. You will be able to see the keys here while I work on it. So for the LinkedIn banner, the width should be 2000 at least, and the height will be 500 pixels. For the resolution, you can keep it 300 pixels, 300 dpi, and create. Then what we have to do is to select the rectangle tool and make a rectangle here, placeholder for the picture, and on the corners, as you see these dots, you have to click on this. If you click on this and drag your mouse, this will make all the corners round. We do not want that. We just want to make this one round and this one. So I will double click on it and drag it. So it is 86 pixels, and this one we will also make it 86 pixels. Yes, like this will work. So this is a rectangle. We can make it black so that we can see it easily, or what we can do, we can just flip it so these corners match and align it to center like here. And for the title, we will write the name. For example, I am writing William K and make its size bigger, and I'm using railway fonts. These are nice fonts. Right now this is all uppercase. We do not want that. So what you will have to do is go to window and then look for the characters. Yes, so these are characters, and this option all uppercase is selected. We have to deselect it. So now we have the lowercase letters too. And then we will add some icons to it. For the icons, what you can do is go to icon sets .iconify.design. I will share this link in the description. You can open that link and search for any icon here. For example, I'm going to search for phone, and we get the phone icon, phone, and I need this circular phone icon. So what I will do is download. This is in the downloads. Open the Photoshop, then press Ctrl plus O to open the picture. This is in downloads, and this is the file I downloaded. So to open it, the width is 50 and 50 by 50. We need to make it a bit bigger, like 250 maybe. Yes, and drag it to the design. Make it smaller. And for the other icon too, I downloaded a mail icon. Here it is. You can also download it from this site. I already have downloaded it, mail, and you will see a lot of mail icons. You can use any of these. So I had this one, just copy it from Illustrator and paste it here. Make it smaller like this, and make size of both icons uniform like this. Yes. So for the text, I am going to write any number. You will write your number here. So here it is, and make it smaller like this. Mail icon, and I'm duplicating this one. Make sure when these arrows occur, it means that both objects have same distance from the icon. So I will write your mail at gmail.com. This is a sample mail. You will have to write your own mail here and select this, all these 4 layers, and bring them down a bit. And also I think we should make it a little smaller so that it looks attractive. I am leaving this space because the profile picture will be here, so it will, anything that will be here, it will be covered behind the profile picture. So make sure to keep it a bit in the center like this. And we wrote the name, we wrote the contact details, so now we have to add the picture. For the picture, I downloaded a sample picture of this gentleman. What you have to do is to press Ctrl+A to select the whole picture and drag it to the design that we are making. I'm closing this one. Now when you get in situation like this, you cannot see the whole picture, just press Ctrl+T to transform it, and then Ctrl+0 to zoom out the picture. So I am adjusting it according to this rectangle we made. Once you have adjusted the picture, make sure this picture, this is the rectangle that we made, and this picture should be on top of this rectangle. And then when you bring your mouse between these 2 layers and press the Alt button or Option button on Mac, then click here, this will clip the picture on the rectangle that we made. Once the picture is clipped on this one, we can move the picture inside it like this. We can also make it a bit bigger so the face is visible clearly like this. So almost the template is ready. Now what we have to do, we make a copy of it and write the name of skill or any service that you are providing. For example, I am writing creative designer here like this. And what else we can add? We can add a line here. You can select the line tool from here, and while pressing the shift, make a line, straight line. If you press the shift, it will make a straight line. If you don't press shift, it will be something like this. We do not want that, we want a straight line. And in the stroke, you can add like this green stroke and increase its stroke size from here like this. And for the icons, I also want this green color, so select this icon. This is the mail icon. Right click here, then go to blending options, and then color overlay, select this one, and you can select any color from this, for example this one, or you can use the eyedropper to select this color, green color, and hit OK and OK. And you can copy this FX, the color overlay effect, to this phone icon too. So we will press Alt and click on this FX and drag it on the phone layer like this, and bring them a bit down. And I also have these Instagram social media icons that you can use. You can also download these icons from the website I shared, like Instagram, and you will have to select these icons. You can download them and use them like we did in this one. So for the icons, for example, you downloaded all the icons and you bring them to your design and they are scattered like this. What you will do is select the Facebook icon, move it here, and then the Twitter or X icon here. Photoshop is automatically aligning them together using the guidelines, so you won't have to worry about anything. and this is it. Now make a copy of it, this layer, while pressing the Alt button and dragging it. Double click on it to modify it, and you can add @user name like this, and make it a bit smaller and bring them a bit down. For the design elements, we can let's make a bit bigger like this, and we can add lines here too. Select the line tool, and while pressing the shift, make a line here, and while pressing the Alt or Option button, drag it here and make it on this side too. So the design is almost ready, just the background is looking a bit empty. So for that, we will select the pen tool and make sure the fill is 0, nothing is filled, and the stroke we can use the green color or any other color. Select the pen tool and make a shape like this here, and bring this shape to back, and again some shapes here too, like this. Shapes are looking nice, but I guess we can use some other light color here. So select this shape, press U, and in this section you can select some light color, or you can double click here or you choose any color you want. So I used this gray color, and for the other shape too I'm going to use the gray color. This is how your banner will look. You can also add other overlays in the background if you want some busy background, but I prefer using a simple background for the LinkedIn profile. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and if you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more updates. Thank you.